MRegio is the cabinet planning program for manufacturers and private customers. At www.mregio.com, you can plan your furniture easily on your own. MRegio brings manufacturers and end customers together at one table. A message in the top right indicates that your browser may be misconfigured in the zombie area. Here, we confirm with OK and see the consequences afterward. If you zoom within the image area with the mouse wheel, you see the effect, whereas outside, with the Control key pressed, the zoom size may be adjusted. We now take a look at the carpenter-specific account that we can select in the top right. This login area can also be reached directly at mregio.de/myaccount. After that, I enter my username and password, confirm the reCAPTCHA message, and log into the account. Here, in the sidebar, we see various tabs like Profile Editing. Here, the username, password, and license are displayed. The license can be obtained through our shop at shop.edv-cad.de. In the Contact section, we see the contact details. And these details will be displayed in the sidebar later. We also see various tabs here, such as Profile Editing. We also see a text here, and this text can be customized individually in the Branding section. Here, we also have the opportunity to upload a specific company logo. Now, of course, the pricing is interesting. Here we have various parameters that ultimately lead to the final product price. Similarly, we see here in the cabinet dialog in the center, the summary, and here we have various sections for the cabinet or body. As soon as later, fronts are also assigned, the display changes here, and we have accordingly additional parameters. The calculation is divided into three areas: general, body, and front. Here, the price tolerance is crucial. We see a percentage, and this results in not an exact price, but a tolerance is displayed. All price indications are already including value-added tax. Once you have assigned your values, we can save it all, and now, all these entries are used for the calculation of your furniture. Once a plan has been carried out, the end customer can now click on Submit Request. He is then informed that he should attach attachments and photos corresponding to the plan in the Save/Save Project tab. Especially in the Save/Save Project tab, the planning is ultimately saved. And this is, of course, necessary for a third party to later open this plan again exactly. We can demonstrate it here quite simply, and once a plan has been created here, we click on Save Project, and now we can directly If we delete this cabinet, click again on the Save tab, and then either from the computer or directly load the last plans. In the settings, we can also set a different language, and the same applies to the control of the account on the website. Here we can also switch to other languages, and we then have the parameters in the desired language available here. I switch back to German, and now I want to point out again, in the dashboard, the very important links are placed for your customers. Because this customer link should be positioned on your homepage, carpentryxyz.de or whatever it may be. With this Carpenter link, you have your personal account, where also the CAD export and other functions are unlocked. Especially in future versions, the Carpenter version will include many more detailed functions that may overwhelm private customers at times.